Hey, fellow pilots, and welcome to the channel Caring Guy. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that could change how you capture the world, the Lenovo S28 Maximum. This foldable quadrotor isn't just about sharp video, it's about bringing professional 8K aerial photography to a compact, user-friendly package. Let's dive into what makes this drone an absolute powerhouse. Unmatched safety and stability, the 720-degree shield. The S28 Max's most impressive feature might just be its safety system. We're talking about 720-degree Omnidirectional Obstacle Avoidance. Yes, you heard that right, it sees in every direction, giving you a complete protective sphere. You can fly with confidence, knowing that if you encounter an obstacle, the drone will stop without a collision. Stability is baked into the flight experience. It uses both GPS and optical flow localization for precise, steady hovering. The pressure sensor provides consistent altitude setting, locking the drone in place, making it perfect for smooth video recording. And thanks to the 5 GHz anti-interference technology and the 6-axis gyroscope, your connection and flight remain stable, even in busy airspaces. Imaging redefined, true 8K HD. Now, let's talk about the lens. The S28 Max comes equipped with a dual-camera system featuring a main lens that delivers unbelievable detail. We're capturing photos at a massive 7680 by 4320p resolution, giving you true 8K image quality. The video resolution is a crystal clear 3840 by 2160p. To keep that stunning footage steady, it features a self-stabilizing EIS lens with a servo gimbal design, ensuring clear lines even during dynamic flight. You can also adjust the camera angle by 90° remotely, and the lens offers a 50x focal length for incredible zooming capabilities. The APP control also allows for easy gesture shooting video recognition from up to 1500 m away. Endurance and power, 40 minutes of flight. Forget short 15-minute bursts. The S28 Max is built for endurance. Powered by a high-capacity 3.7V 2200 mAh intelligent lithium battery, this drone delivers an outstanding 40 minutes of flight time on a single charge. And the quick charging time of about 1 hour means less waiting and more flying. Driving that performance is a powerful brushless motor, durable, efficient, and providing the robust thrust you need for stable, long-distance flight. Speaking of distance, you get a massive 6000 m control range and a live FPV feed over 5G Wi-Fi up to 5000 m away. Finally, the design is brilliantly practical. It folds down to a tiny 12.5 by 8 by 5.5 centimeters, and with a takeoff weight of just 132 grams, it's light enough to often avoid aviation control restrictions, making it easier to travel and fly globally. Final verdict. The Lenovo S28 Max is an absolute steal for professional or serious enthusiast use. The combination of its powerful brushless motor, incredible 40-minute endurance, 720-degree avoidance, and true 8K photo capability makes this a standout choice. It truly delivers on its promise of professional HD aerial photography. What's the first landscape you would capture in 8K with this drone? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button.